Sometimes students may view mathematics as dull, boring, or difficult. Students may think that mathematics means to get something right or to get something wrong. When they get it wrong, they think that they are not good enough for mathematics and lose interest in learning. On the other hand, a few students learn enough tricks to get something right to pass the exam. However, when a teacher has tried to teach maths in a different way, say through activities and games, it can make the process of learning more interesting and effective. The setting up of a mathematics laboratory aids this effort. A mathematics laboratory is a place where we find a collection of games, puzzles, teaching aids, and other materials for carrying out activities. These are meant to be used both by the student by their own and together with their teacher to explore the world of mathematics, to discover, to learn, and to develop an interest in mathematics. Although mathematics is not an experimental science in the way in which physics, chemistry, biology are, a mathematics laboratory can contribute greatly to the learning of mathematical concepts and skills. Mathematics laboratory is activity centered and a child is placed in problem solving situation to self exploration and discovery. He provides a solution based on his experience, needs and interest. Some of the ways in which a mathematics laboratory can contribute to the learning of the subject are: it provides an opportunity to understand and internalize the basic mathematical concepts through concrete objects and situations. It enables the student to verify or to discover several geometrical properties and facts using models or by proper cutting and folding techniques. It helps the student to build interest and confidence in learning the subject. The laboratory provides opportunity to exhibit the relatedness of mathematical concepts with everyday life. It provides greater scope for individual participation in the process of learning and becoming autonomous learners. It provides scope for greater involvement of both the mind and the hand, which facilitate cognition. The laboratory allows and encourages students to think, discuss with each other and teacher, and assimilates the concept in a more effective manner. It enables the teacher to demonstrate, explain, and reinforce abstract mathematical ideas by using concrete objects, models, charts, graphs, pictures, posters, etc. The main objectives of mathematics laboratory are to provide readily accessible, rich, manipulative materials, to emphasis on learning by doing, to develop an attitude of inquiry, remove the weakness of present-day mathematics education, to develop much needed confidence in students, to generate interest in the subject, to make the students divergent thinkers, to make the children to look for pattern and ask questions. Now, the primary functions of a mathematics laboratory are to make mathematics teaching and learning interesting and purposeful for students, provide activities that arouse the curiosity of the students and maintain their interest in learning, enable students to develop proper skills in handling equipment and gadgets, make students appreciate the practical applicability of mathematical principles and laws, to concretize the abstract mathematical concepts, to help the student develop powers of observation, analysis and drawing inferences. Nowadays, the role of teacher is reduced to facilitator, a strategy for teaching mathematics in mathematics laboratory atmosphere that would transform the position of the teacher from being active speaker to the facilitator. Conceptualizing mathematical ideas stimulates the growth of analytical thought, which is critical for succeeding in the modern world. The conceptual understanding will better enable students to handle logical and complex information throughout their lives. Now try this.